Leaf filters 15K
Oh,
gutter
wow,
disaster.
look at that.
Pay attention to how many screws they used in the top of the gutter for the leaf and splash guards. It should only have a few. Also note how they sealed this splash guard and how they added a section to try and stop the water from flowing over the top of the gutter, which obviously didn't work. The homeowner mentioned to me how the water just shot over the top of the gutter and onto the front patio.
I don't have my level on me, but it's pretty bad. Let's see if we got any leaves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
It's windy out today.
10, 11,
Pretty nice job they did here.
12.
It's a miter.
They used 12 screws in 3 feet of leaf guards. That's way more than any house should ever have. If you multiply 4 by 250, which is how many feet of gutters they have, that'll add up to 1,000 screws just in the leaf guards.
Look at that.
Talk about a waste of time and money just paying for screws.
Oh my goodness.
This caulking should be smoothed out and almost flat so water can flow over the top easily. And you should not use silicone caulking for gutters, as it doesn't adhere to metal very well or last long term. There are specialized sealants like Geocell 2320, specifically designed for use with seamless gutters. Now let's see how many screws they used in 4 or 5 feet of gutter. You really only need about 5 at the most, as every screw leaves a hole where water can potentially leak.
Cannot use the ripper tool on screws. Yeah, it wasn't clogged up, but boy, the caulking job.
The what? Oh, the caulking?
Yeah.
Well, that's because it was that leak.
16 screws in the back of this 3-foot section of gutter. Multiply that by 250 and you'll end up with 800 screws and holes where water could potentially leak in the back of the gutter.
It's pretty bad. But that, did you go up there and like seal over the top or something?
Well, I called leaf filter, leaf guard.
Leaf filter, huh?
As you can see, they did the same thing on the other side of the front porch. The older couple that lived here spent $15,000 on one of the worst gutter jobs I've ever seen. Please get referrals and check reviews on companies before you sign on that dotted line, folks. Here's what the job looked like after we finished replacing their gutters with 6-inch bronze gutters. Well, that's all we got for this video. If you enjoyed the content, be sure to hit that like and follow button, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.